Well done, everybody. So today I'm gonna show you how to get back Metatrader 4 and 5 if you never already have it on 4 because you already know the whole thing around the whole Metatrader 4 and 5 being removed from the App Store. Now because the whole heap of traders who just only can trade from them laptop or who now use the web terminal for the Metatrader 4 and 5 web terminal for trading. Me personally, I don't like trading on a computer. I prefer to trade on my phone. It feels more comfortable to me that way. And as you can see, I have Metatrader 5 and Metatrader 4 on my phone. It's working. Now, I'm going to delete Metatrader 5 and show you how to get it. Metatrader 5 has been deleted. Now, in order to get back Metatrader 5, you need to go to the App Store, go to Purchased, go to Purchased. Now, if you have ever downloaded Metatrader 4 or 5 before, it will be in Purchased. All you need to do with the search word, hit download, and then after that it will be downloaded back onto your iPhone. See, open, and Metatrader 5 is back on my iPhone. It's simple as that. Now the things that you need to do this, you will have to already download Metatrader 5 in your app store. If you haven't downloaded it before, you need to get somebody's account who has downloaded it before so you can download it from theirs and then you can just log back out. It's very simple as that to get back Metatrader 4 and 5 on your iPhone or iPad. You know? So I hope this video helps you out, and I will be making more videos. So thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day.